Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fiji Police is critical to maintain law and order and safety for our Fijians. A total budget of 226.5 million is provided to the Fiji Police Force. The first phase of the recruitment of 588 additional officers was completed in this financial year, taking the force size to over 5,000. This added strength should now provide additional capacity to maintain law and order. Government will provide funding for an additional 588 officers, as committed earlier. For now, the force will focus on filling in around 400 vacant positions to increase its manpower. The Ministry of Policy and Communications is provided the funding of around 34.2 million in the next year's budget. Government is committed to strengthening the fight against illicit drugs, and accordingly 1.6 million has been allocated to support narcotics operations and the continued establishment of the Counter-Narcotics Bureau. The Ministry also has a responsibility for advancing Fiji's digital transformation agenda. A total of 4 million is provided to continue with the rollout of the Business Now building permits and approval subsystem, which will fully digitalize the construction permit approval process, making it faster, more transparent, and easier for businesses and investors to obtain approval. Government will continue supporting nationwide digital connectivity through a grant of 6.8 million to Walesi. This funding will support upgrades to the Walesi app, transmission infrastructure, solar power system, and other operational improvements to enhance digital access and broadcasting services across Fiji.